In this video we will show how to properly report an item or marketplace synchronization issues to our support staff. By doing it the correct way, you will speed up the response time considerably. Before reporting any problems, please verify that it is actually a problem by checking the data yourself. There are lots of things to verify. We will release a different tutorial about that. If you still think there is a problem with Sku Grid, click on Report link in the Actions column. Choose the appropriate problem. If the price or stock scraped by Sku Grid is incorrect, then it's a supplier problem. If scraped information is correct, but data is not being updated at your marketplace, then it's a problem with marketplace synchronization. Describe your problem with as many details as possible. The more information you will provide, the faster we will be able to resolve the issue. Once you submit a problem, the ticket will be auto-created using your email address. If you didn't have an account with Freshdesk before, you'll get a welcome email from them. As you can see, Sku Grid has provided all of the needed details plus extra links for customer support. This will help us resolve your problem in a very quick manner. There is also a Report an Item link in the Sku Fetch. It is shown when there is an error in fetching, but also it is on the top of the page at Single Fetch and in Actions column an Item List and Draft List. Let's create an incorrect product link and send it to Single Fetch. It wasn't able to parse it, so now we can report this item to the customer support. Before reporting, please verify that the store is actually supported by the Sku Grid and that the link is correct. As you can see, customer support also got detailed information about this case and will be able to resolve it faster. Thanks for watching and happy selling!